Okay, for this video I'm going to take these two clasps for the back. This is the one which twists here. I'm using a size 5.5mm crochet hook and a t-shirt yarn to make a handle. Now this is the shorter end, and leave a long tail around like 12 inches long tail, and this is the main attached part, which is the attached with your yarn ball. And I'm going to take this crochet hook, place it under like that, and then this is a shorter end, you have to bring it forward and twist it like that. Now here is my clasp. I'm going to hold it on my left hand upside down, put your hand like that, and then you have to push the shorter end from inside towards the back, and make sure your hand is loose, not too tight, like that. Now from the back you're going to take this shorter end of yarn, and then you're going to wrap it from the front of your hook, then bring it from the back and cross over to your main yarn, which is attached to your yarn ball, and then you have to insert this from this clasp again, bring it from the back. We have two loops here, and now again the shorter end, yarn over from the front of your hook, from the back bring in, and then cross over to your main yarn, and then insert again like that. We have now 1, 2 and 3 loops here. So again you have to take your shorter end, yarn it over from the front part of your hook. We are not coming from the back, we are going like that. And now from the back you have to come over to this yarn which is attached to your yarn ball, and then insert again to your clasp. We have 4 loops here, and now one more time we need 5. So yarn over like that, over to this yarn here which is attached to your ball, and then again press it in, push it in like that from the back. And this is what your work going to look like. This is what it's supposed to look like. And now we are going to do is we are going to take both of these together, then yarn over. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and twist them a little bit. And then you have to bring both of them together from these 5 loops together. So this is my, I guess, 1 loop is in. Okay, I'm going to go back again. My 1 loop is out, my main loop, and this is the second loop here. If you cannot get both together, you can just bring them one by one. Now this is the loop which have the shorter end. I'm going to pull this out from this part here, and this is the loop which is attached with your yarn ball. And now we have to bring this shorter end from inside of this loop towards the back. Okay, and now we are going to work with this loop. We will sew this tail later on. Okay, we will sew this tail later on. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to separate this, your first bar. You're going to first bring this out, and this one is attached with your working yarn. So we are going to pass your yarn through, then remove the next stitch, the next bar, and insert your hook to this t-shirt yarn which is attached with your main yarn, and then bring the bar up, remove the last one, and bring the bar up. From making like this, the handle like that, your handle will be not too stretchy. It will be like kind of like a relaxed proper handle. Then yarn over and pull through all those loops. Again, one more time, remove your bar, insert your hook in to this bar. Okay, this is not the one. This is how you have to work with it. Into in between next. Then you have to open these two, and in between have to insert your hook in and bring your bar. And make sure when you bring those bar up, your hand is like not too tight. Then you have to yarn over and pull it through all of the loops. And this is what you have to do again and again until you have to reach to your desired length of your handle. So I'm going to keep going on and on until I went to the length I wanted for my handle, and then we will attach this next to this part, to this handle. Okay, so I'm going to complete this handle first, and then I'm going to teach you how we are going to attach this next clasp to the handle. Okay, so here is my handle. It's done. As you can see, it's pretty long. It's almost like 20 inches long because I really like long handles. And as you can see, it's not too stretchy as normally you will see that yarn handles are. So now to fasten off this handle, what you have to do at the end, you're going to take out from all the bars, you're going to cut a long tail, almost like around 10 inches long, and then you're going to take this tail out of your work, and then you're going to take your tapestry needle, plastic needle, any metal needle, it will work. If you can see that your t-shirt yarn easily can pass through it, and then you're going to take your other clasp of your bag, and you have to you're going to grab it right way, not a wrong way, it's like proper way. And then we are going to insert this from the front towards the back like that. And now we are going to bring our yarn to the front, and here you can see there is a first bar here. This is our very last stitch. Insert your needle from the front side, not from the back side. Okay, so we just insert it like that, and then what we are going to do is insert your needle from the front to the back. This is how you're going to fix your first bar here, and then again you are going to bring your yarn from the front like that towards the left side like that. And now here you can see we have this bar, your second bar. This is the first bar, this is the second. We came out from the back. Insert your needle from right to left, and then take your yarn out. This is your second bar. Super easy, super easy. Then again, you're going to take your needle under this metal bar, then from the inside bring your yarn like that, and then again on your third bar insert your needle from right to left, and then bring your yarn out, and now you have 3 bars attached to your clasp. Now again, under this metal clasp, from the inside, bring your yarn again out, and then your 4th bar from right to left, and now you have 4 bar inside of this clasp. Super duper easy, right? Then again, you're going to move them aside a little, then under and like that, bring your yarn again out, and this is your last bar, and then you have to pass through your last bar towards the left side like that, and there you can see all 5 bars are in your clasp, and they look super nice and tidy. And now the last time I'm going to bring my needle, like this is the last bar here, I'm going to bring my needle from the back into this clasp like that. So these are going to be 6 into this, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 into this side, and then you have to turn your work to the back side and then grab, and this is the part you have to insert your needle in. This is the bars which are attached to this clasp, and after this row you have this row right here. Insert your needle in and then pull it out, and this is how you can see all the bars are properly attached to this. And when your yarn is on your left side, now we are going to sew them, hide the tail as you go, like it's so from the front. I think I should bring this over this bar right here, and under here, because I wanted to make sure that this hides properly in. Okay, so look, it's over this bar here, but it doesn't look bad. It's kind of like that they are together, and then you're going to turn again. You're going to hide it as many times you wanted to, because this part has to be strong enough so that it should not unravel. So hide it as many bars as you wanted to, and here our handle is ready. I hope I have explained you well. I try my best to, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I know there are some parts which are not properly done because I was in quite hurry, and like I was in hurry actually to make this video. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. If you make any of these, don't forget to share it on my Facebook page. I really love to see your work. Thank you so much for you all who give your time to my videos. Take care. Bye.